Mastering English, could you please spell your name? Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to explore an important part of acknowledging introductions, the art of asking for clarification. Our focus in this video will be on the very useful question, could you please spell your name? This phrase is not only polite, but it also ensures that you get someone's name right, which is crucial for building good relationships. Let's start with understanding why asking someone to spell their name can be useful. In any new interaction, whether it's in a social or professional setting, it's crucial to remember the other person's name correctly. It shows respect and interest in the other person. However, sometimes names can be difficult to understand, especially if they are unfamiliar or from a different culture. This is where our phrase, "Could you please spell your name?" comes in handy. It's a polite and effective way to ensure that you have understood someone's name correctly. Using this phrase is quite straightforward. After someone introduces themselves to you, if you didn't quite catch their name or you're unsure about its spelling, simply say, "Could you please spell your name?" For example, Person 1. Hello, my name is Mare. You. Nice to meet you, Mare. Could you please spell your name? This polite request will generally be well received, as it shows your interest in getting their name right. While, "Could you please spell your name?" is a great phrase to use, there are also other ways you can ask for the same information. Here are a few examples. 1. I want to make sure I'm spelling your name right. Could you help me with that? 2. I'm not sure I caught your name correctly. Could you spell it for me? 3. Your name is quite unique. How do you spell that? These variations can help keep your conversations natural and engaging. That brings us to the end of our video today. Remember, the phrase, "Could you please spell your name?" and its variations are essential tools in your English language learning journey. They not only help you ensure you're getting names right, but also demonstrate your respect and attention to detail. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing and keep learning. See you in our next video.